Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Fortnite and you keep getting this error, launch error, EasyAntiCheat is not installed, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your computer easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your file explorer. Now you're going to go to your Fortnite directory. So I have it in C, which is the default location. So going to C, program files 86, Fortnite game here, binaries, Win64, EasyAntiCheat, and here you should have this setup. What you're going to do is you're going to right click on it, click create shortcut here, and then right click on the shortcut, go into properties, go into compatibility, click run this program as an administrator, and also click disable full screen optimizations here. And then you're going to go into shortcut, and here at the last you're going to put a space and you're going to write here repair, and then you're going to click apply, okay, and then run this file. And once you run it, it will install EasyAntiCheat on your computer, and then you'll be able to play Fortnite on your computer. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.